Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best pancakes ever. These pancakes are light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. You don't need any fancy ingredients, just flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and a little bit of butter. I'll guide you step by step, so even if you've never made pancakes before, you'll be flipping like a pro by the end of this video. Stay tuned for my special tip that makes them extra soft and fluffy. Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a recipe that's close to everyone's heart. Classic fluffy pancakes. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a sweet evening treat. I'll walk you through the exact measurements, the mixing technique that prevents lumps, and the secret resting time that ensures your pancakes rise beautifully. By the end, you'll know exactly how to achieve golden brown pancakes every single time. Who's ready for the fluffiest pancakes ever? I promise this recipe is so easy that anyone can do it. We're talking golden, soft, melt-in-your-mouth pancakes that taste better than anything from a cafe. You only need a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, and in just a few minutes, you'll be enjoying a stack of pure happiness. Stick around, because I'm sharing my #1 trick that makes pancakes double in fluffiness. Take a deep breath and imagine the smell of fresh pancakes in the morning. Today, I'll show you how to create soft, fluffy pancakes with a golden surface and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. We'll mix the dry ingredients gently, fold in the wet ingredients slowly, and let the batter rest before cooking. With just a few steps, you'll have the perfect pancake stack to enjoy with syrup, honey, or fresh fruit. When I was little, weekends always meant pancakes. My family had this tradition of making them together, and now I want to share the easiest, fluffiest pancake recipe with you. It's a recipe that works every single time. No stress, no complicated steps, just warm, fluffy pancakes that make everyone smile. Let's start cooking, and maybe you'll make this a tradition in your home too. Stop scrolling, because I'm about to show you how to make the fluffiest pancakes you'll ever eat. 5 ingredients, 1 bowl, and less than 10 minutes. And you've got yourself cafe-style pancakes right at home. Stick around, because I'll share the secret ingredient that makes these pancakes rise higher than the rest. Let's make fluffy pancakes together. First, whisk your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, mix your wet ingredients: milk, eggs, and melted butter. Now, gently combine both mixtures. Remember, don't overmix, or your pancakes will turn out dense. Let the batter rest for a few minutes. Heat a pan, pour the batter, and cook until bubbles appear. Flip and cook the other side until golden. Stack them up, drizzle with syrup, and enjoy your fluffy pancakes. Sometimes, happiness is as simple as making pancakes. That soft, fluffy texture, the golden brown edges, and the sweet drizzle of syrup, it's comfort on a plate. Today, I'll show you the easiest recipe that never fails. Even if you're new in the kitchen, you'll feel like a chef when you serve these pancakes. So grab your ingredients, follow along, and treat yourself to the best breakfast ever. Hey kids and families, do you love pancakes? Because today we're making the softest, yummiest pancakes ever. All you need are simple ingredients: flour, eggs, sugar, and milk. Mix them up, pour the batter, and watch the pancakes bubble up before you flip them. It's fun, it's easy, and it's super tasty. Don't forget to top your pancakes with chocolate syrup or strawberries for extra fun. Welcome to a recipe that transforms an ordinary breakfast into something extraordinary. These pancakes are light, airy, and incredibly fluffy. The batter is perfectly balanced, giving you pancakes that are soft on the inside with a golden, delicate crust on the outside. Serve them with warm maple syrup, fresh berries, or a touch of whipped cream, and you'll feel like you're enjoying a five-star brunch right in your own home.